Hi, ladies, and welcome to the party. I hope that you're having fun, and I'm so excited to do our auction. So, I wanted to tell you a little bit about that. It can be a little bit confusing, so I want to make sure that you understand it. So, the event itself is set for the date of the auction. So, you've already started seeing some posts. You'll see some more posts up until that date and time of the auction. And how it's going to work is you earn bag bucks by commenting on each post. You'll earn bag bucks for each post that you comment on, and then by placing your order. So you may have already seen that by placing your order on a certain day, you get an extra however many bag bucks. You automatically get 100 bag bucks for putting your order in, and then you get extras for putting them on a certain day throughout the party. So how it's going to work when the auction comes up is it will start at the time that the event is set up for. So let's just use 8 o'clock as an example. So 8 o'clock, I'm going to post a welcome to the auction post, and then 3 minutes after that, your first item will go up for bid. Once you see that item, you'll want to comment what you bid on that product. And you're using your bag bucks. You're not actually using real money, so it's kind of like Monopoly money. And then you'll just comment on there. Most of them start at like $31, so you'll just comment 31, and then the next person will comment 41, and the next comment will be 51, so it'll go up by tens. I mean, you don't have to go up by tens, but it has to be at least 10. So I hope that helps. Make sure you're refreshing the event page during the auction so that you see the next item come up for bid. And remember, the auction items, how many we auction off, is based on orders and participation. So make sure you're participating. If you want to place an order, make sure you get your order in before auction day so we can give away some more items. I hope you win something. Have some fun, and I will see you on the event. Bye.